Hi, my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nail Cover Lover. Let's get started. Hello everyone, today we are doing a collab with the Glitter Girlz, and I am using the Azure, and it is number A1AZCG34, and it is a pretty pink glitter. And this birthday collaboration is for Tammy's Manny's. She is a sweet person. She is in need of watch time, so you guys need to go sub to her and give her some watch time. And there'll be a list in my description box of the ladies that are needing some watch time. And I am using some, I'm getting off track. I'm using some water decals. And I am using these letters that I got, and we're gonna get started. So let's get these out. I put 2 coats of this glitter, and what I got here is some beads that are like pearl beads, and she likes bling. Tammy's likes are pink, like blue, dogs, glitter, and bling. So I got rid of the glitter, and gave her some bling, and let's get started on this. All right, first I need to put some water in here with my decals. And when you do water decals, make sure you take off the top layer, because if you don't, you're gonna have a pain to get them. Where is my other? I'm missing something, y'all. There it is. But like I was saying, that film, if you don't get this film off of these, take that off and then put them in the water, and you will have a pain. I mean, you can do it, but you're gonna have a heck of a time doing it. All right, and I need to let these set for a few seconds. And then we're gonna get these beautiful, beautiful things on here. First off, what I'm gonna do while that's setting is I'm going to put, let's see, which one do I wanna use? Okay, I wanna use the grip gel from Shemodern. And Shemodern does have videos that she does on YouTube now to help us all out with what she's doing, you know, and you can learn a lot of stuff on how to use your Shemodern products. And Tammy is a sweetheart, you guys need to check her out. I'm not sure what days she's on now, but you guys need to go subscribe to Shemodern, because their products are amazing. They might be a little bit more pricier, but let me tell you, the stuff that you get is well worth your money, and you will only use a little bit of the products that you apply to anything. So you guys need to go and grab you some up. Alright, and we'll put that on there and let them cure while them are in the water soaking, and we'll be right back. And we'll get started on putting them decals on. kind of buffed and coated and buffed is what I meant to say, and whatnot. And I'm going to use Princess Nails by Diana. That is not what I want. Not the base coat. Where are you? There it is. The top coat. No, white top coat from Princess Nails. Diva. Let's see if we can get this on here. Maybe, just maybe, it might look good if I just do the shiny letters. The top coat over here. Make them just shiny instead of the whole nail. Happy birthday, Tammy. Hope your day is as great as you are, babe. And like I said, you guys need to go check out Tammy's Manis. And subscribe to her if you haven't already. She is trying to reach her goal. And you guys need to go check her out and give her some watch time if you can. There is Tammy's Mani in my list. There is Snazzy Nail Art by Tia. And then On Fleek Nails by Kiki. She changed her name, but it'll still come up if you kind of look for her a little bit. But Kiki's on there. And these are ladies that need watch time. Myself and Karina from Karina's Nail Designs. And myself. And Brandy is on there. BRC Nails. And Cherie from Just Nailed It. And Catherine Ford. All three of those guys they all got recently monetized. Cherie being the most recent. So if you watch theirs, please do not skip, because that's how YouTubers make their money. So yeah, you guys go give them a really long playlist and help them out. And the list will be in my description box, you guys. Oh, the doggy's so cute. You guys need to go check out Princess Nails by Diana too. And most of these ladies are all on I'm not sure about Facebook. They all have channels on here and on Instagram. So you guys need to go check them out. Follow them. I'm not too scared about getting top coat on these bling, because it'll be all right. I have not been feeling good. I'm so sorry, Tammy. But I hope you have a great day, love. And as soon as these gets out, I'll show you the end result, love. Happy, 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 happy birthday. And here's the finished result. And this little palette I got from Cafe Nails Products. Gina is great. You guys can go and order these and have them special made. She does all kinds of stuff. She has cuticle oils, nail stuff, and she makes resins. So you guys need to go check her out too. And there's my end result, you guys. Happy birthday, Tammy. Love you, girl. See you later.